very lightweight design. There you can see what it looks like. How we engage this is we just turn the switch and you can see it's charging. How cool is that? Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at a iPhone 6, one of the 4.7 inch size iPhone 6's battery case from BuQu, or BuQu, however you want to say it, tech. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. As you can see, there's their name of the company up here, BuQu, new for the iPhone 6. This is a 2800 milliamp battery, so you can charge your iPhone 6 from dead to 100% with this case. So that's kind of nice. It says it's pre-charged, and it's actually a fast charging case. So let's go ahead and open that up. You can see a little more information here on the inside. Patented unibody design, micro USB charge cable for the actual case itself, and you get an audio adapter cable because a lot of times with Apple's design of the iPhone, you get the headphone jack down here on the bottom of the phone, and these cases generally add about that much length, or maybe about that much length to the bottom of your phone, and your headphone jack is just too recessed and you can't access it. For the back here, just a little more information about the lightweight design, easy access to all buttons, 2800 milliamp battery, LED fuel gauge on it so you can see how much juice is actually left. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and install it. See what you get in the box. And that should be it. Yes, it is. Okay. So you get a little instruction manual, the case itself, micro USB cable just like it said, and the audio with a little gold end extender for your headphone jack. So let's go ahead and take the case out, take a look at it. Not very heavy at all, I like that, just already out of the box. Very lightweight design. There you can see what it looks like. There's a little button you can see. Now it says it's pre-charged out of the gate, so let's see. And it is. Got a big little stripe here, they all light up. Now to engage it, obviously there's the power on and off right there, so pretty easy. Now this is actually where you're going to charge it. There's your micro USB cable. There's your lightning adapter to plug into the base of your phone. And then that's about it. On and off power. So let's go ahead and install this and get it going. So we can figure out how to install it. So we just take that obviously down. Another thing I want to point out here, if you notice the speakers on the front, this is a really nice thing about these cases is they actually take your sound that comes out usually the bottom of your iPhone and project it frontwards. So that's awesome. And you see how easy that installed. So that's pretty cool. Now again, how we engage this is we just turn the switch and you can see it's charging. How cool is that? Just, you need a full charge. I got it in my hands. It's a backup to the phone, backup battery. It's like having a second iPhone, all juiced and ready to go. So that's pretty neat. So now we mentioned the extender. Now if we just take a standard headphone, they're not going to fit. So what we got to do is we've got to take this, plug it in like so, and now you've got an extender cable. You just plug your headphone into that, the 3.5 millimeter jack right there. So that is how they work around that, and that's the way all of them do. They all have that extender case built in. Now as you can see here, no problem whatsoever hitting the button there. Everything's easily accessible, and again, the only thing that it really recesses on is the headphone jack. Then you get a micro USB cable now that you can use to charge it. Now, one thing I am going to test for you is, let's see if we plug in the micro USB here. A lot of them will charge the phone and the case, so you don't have to remove the phone all the time. So let's go ahead and just take this USB charger here, plug in, and let's see if what starts charging first. Of course, I haven't read the instructions, so if this little test doesn't really tell us, I'll refer to those. And let's turn it on. Now, there you go. phone is charging through the case, and the case is charging. So you can just leave this in that. You do not have to take this out of the case, charge the case separately, charge the phone separately, or whatever. You just leave it in this, let it go. Very cool. Of course, if you're going to go for data, you are going to have to, if you want to take your phone out and sync it with your iTunes or something like that, or plug it in and use it as a data, you will have to remove the case. I don't think that this is just for power. This is not like a data and power cable right here. So that is the only downfall, that you'd have to remove it from the case, is if you wanted to do some data syncing, because obviously your lightning adapter is now used strictly for power. So anyway, guys, check the show notes. I'll have a link to where you can pick one of these up. Very, very nice. And like I said, it doesn't add much bulk. You can see, you know, a little bit, but you gotta expect that with the battery case, especially 2800 milliamps of juice here. A full recharge of an iPhone 6 right here. And then, you know, they don't add a lot of bulk here. That's really good. So anyway, guys, again, BuQu iPhone 6 battery case. Check the show notes for a link. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscription to the channel, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.